Hello, and welcome back to Native English, the best place to learn English in a slow, simple, and natural way. I'm Henry, your American English teacher and your storyteller. I speak clearly, I use simple words, and I repeat ideas. Why? So you can understand, speak, and feel confident in English, step by step, sentence by sentence. In today's episode, we are going to talk about how to describe your day in English, not just short phrases, real sentences, real English. By the end of this episode, you will be able to talk about your day like this. I woke up at 7. I took a shower. I had eggs for breakfast. I worked on my computer. I had lunch at noon. I took a break. In the evening, I watched a movie and went to bed. Sounds great, right? Let's learn together. Why should you learn to talk about your day? Because your day is real. You don't need to know big words. You don't need to talk about politics or history. You can start with your life. You know what time you wake up. You know what you eat. You know if you go to work, stay home, or study. So, talk about that. When you practice describing your day, you think in English, you stop translating in your head, you speak in real sentences, you build strong speaking habits, and you don't need to be perfect. Just start speaking. Even if you are alone, even if you feel shy, you can talk to yourself out loud or record your voice. Let's take an example. Imagine you meet someone new. They ask, "Hey, what did you do today?" If you've practiced, you can say, "I woke up at 7, I had coffee, I went to work. In the evening, I made dinner and watched TV." That's a full answer. That's real conversation, and that's your goal. Let's start with the morning. Let's practice simple sentences you can use to talk about your morning. Repeat after me slowly. I usually wake up at 7 o'clock. Sometimes I wake up earlier, around 6:30. If I sleep late, I feel tired. I stay in bed for a few minutes and think about my day. I take a deep breath and stretch. Then I get out of bed. I go to the bathroom and brush my teeth. I wash my face with cold water. Sometimes I take a quick shower. I listen to soft music or English audio. After that, I get dressed. I wear something clean and comfortable. Then I go to the kitchen and make breakfast. I usually eat toast, eggs, and fruit. Sometimes I have cereal with milk. I drink coffee or green tea. While I eat, I check my phone or watch a short video. Other days, I just sit quietly and enjoy the moment. Before I leave, I check my calendar. I pack my bag with what I need: phone, notebook, water. I put on my shoes and go outside. My morning story. You shadow this. I wake up around 7 o'clock. I lie in bed and stretch my arms and legs. Then I get up and walk to the bathroom. I brush my teeth and wash my face. Sometimes I take a warm shower and listen to relaxing music. After my shower, I get dressed. I like to wear jeans and a t-shirt. Then I go to the kitchen and make breakfast. I eat toast with butter and a boiled egg. I drink a big cup of coffee. While I eat, I sit near the window and look outside. I check my phone, my to-do list, and my schedule. Then I pack my bag and go out to start my day. Talking about the afternoon. Repeat these slow, clear sentences with me. After lunch, I go back to work. Sometimes I feel a little sleepy. I check my emails and reply to the important ones. I read messages from coworkers or classmates. I usually have a meeting in the afternoon. If I work from home, I sit at my desk. I open my laptop and type reports. I check my calendar to see what's next. I take a short break around 3 o'clock. I make a cup of tea or drink water. I eat a small snack like fruit or a biscuit. If the weather is nice, I go for a short walk. When I have free time, I study English. I listen to a podcast or read a short article. I watch a slow English video and repeat the sentences. Shadowing helps me speak better. Before I finish, I write what I did today. I also write one new English word I learned. My afternoon story. You shadow this. After lunch, I go back to my desk. I open my laptop and check emails. I make a list of things to do. Then I join a video meeting with my team. We talk about what we finished and what comes next. After the meeting, I make tea and stand by the window. Sometimes I go outside for a few minutes. If I have time, I listen to an English podcast. I repeat short phrases out loud. This helps me speak clearly and feel more confident. Before I finish work, I write a quick summary of my day. I also write how I feel. For example, I did a good job today. Let's talk about the evening. Repeat these sentences slowly with me. I come home at 6 o'clock. I take off my shoes and sit down. I rest for a few minutes. I sometimes watch the news or listen to music. I cook dinner or order food. I eat dinner at the table with my family. We talk about our day and laugh. After dinner, I wash the dishes. Sometimes I take a short walk. Before bed, I take a shower. I brush my teeth and get ready for bed. I go to sleep around 10:30 or 11. Now it's your turn. Think about your day. Try to speak out loud. Use these questions to help. What time do you wake up? What do you eat for breakfast? Do you work or go to school? What do you do in the afternoon? How do you relax in the evening? What time do you go to bed? Try saying it out loud like this. In the morning, then in the afternoon, in the evening, even if you only say 3 or 4 sentences, that's great. Final message from Henry. Today you listened, You repeated. You shadowed real English. You use simple words to talk about your real life. That's amazing. You are not just learning English, you are living in English. So keep practicing. 1 sentence today, 2 tomorrow, a full story next week. This is native English. I'm so proud of you. Keep going. Keep speaking. Keep believing in yourself. See you next time. Hi.